Hi students, in Leaders 376, this is a short recording to show you how to get to the Cengage ebook by Daft, the Leadership Experience. So go to cengage.com. You are a student and you're looking for an e-textbook. Put in, I'm putting in the author's name. I think it's called Leadership Experience, and it's the 7th edition. Search, and here you go, the Leadership Experience by Richard Daft, 7th edition. Here are your choices. If you have Cengage Unlimited, or you want Cengage Unlimited textbook, it's $69.99 for 4 months. Access until December for just the ebook for this class is $45.49. If you want to buy or rent, if they can find it, because it's out of print right now because of paper shortages, there is an option as well. If you need to purchase your books from the bookstore on campus, they should have a code that you can pay for that's going to give you this $45.49. So if you have any questions, you can contact me. My name is Dr. Sigler. I'm the Department Head for Leadership Studies. So get your book and get reading.